Hey guys, it's Michaela. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, you should definitely subscribe. And if you follow me on Snapchat, I'm Mickey Murray, and you've already seen these clips and you already know how excited I was when I did these nails. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I get these bomb nails at home with this PolyGel kit that I got on Amazon. I'll link all of the products that I used in this video down below, but it's super easy, you guys. So if you want to know how I got these nails at home, then just keep watching. So the first step is super simple. I just buff out all of my nails. I'm just getting rid of any of the jagged edges and making sure that my nail is ready for my base coat. This kit is super easy to read. I'm going to show you how I did them, but all of the instructions are already in the kit when you order it. So I do have a little bit of prior knowledge to this. Like, I did go to cosmetology school, but all I did before was acrylics, and I never really got that good at them, so you don't really need any type of like skill beforehand to do this besides painting your nails, really. But you get better with time, obviously. But this is my first time, just so you guys know, this is my first time ever attempting polygel nails, and it turned out like this, and I love them. So I think that they'll work out perfectly for anybody who is a beginner. The kit was inexpensive, and it took me no more than 25 minutes to do. But as you just saw, I'm just taking my base coat and I'm applying it to my nails, like a not too thick of a layer, but a generous amount, you know. And then I take my LED lamp and I cure that. For these nails that I did today, I didn't use my e-file, but later on, as they started growing out, I shaped them into more of like an almond, like more of a squoval, I guess, type of shape instead of just square, because I think it looks more natural. So now that my nails are all cured, they're like hardened, they might be a little bit sticky, so if they are, just take like a paper towel with some alcohol on it and wipe them off so that they're ready for my polygel. The liquid that I'm pouring into this glass right here is the slip solution that they have that comes with the kit. So as you can see, I have like a little mixture, like a little concoction on the side and a dish. I just used like a mason jar, the lid of a mason jar, to mix up my color. But this is like a custom color I mixed up. Honestly, guys, I'm not sure what colors I used. I used almost each one of them, but I just kind of made my custom color. Use the colors that I like and mix them together. But if you guys want to create your own custom color, you can, or you can just use one color from the tube. You don't have to be extra like this. I was just trying to, you know, I was just trying something new. I just wanted to know if I could mix them. So I'm just taking the spatula that comes in the kit and I'm filling in the dual form. As you can see, I pre-measured them to my nails already. So after buffing and then base coat and then curing the nails, I'm now putting the polygel inside of the dual form, and then I'm pressing it into my nail. And the trick is, like, once you get this kit, if you guys want to try this out yourself at home, which I completely advise, I highly advise you try this yourself at home. I could not find the word. I highly advise that you try this by yourself at home because it's super affordable. It's not that hard. Like, after the first 2 times, you should get it down pat. I think that it's an amazing investment, but I think you have to be determined. Since if you're impatient, I feel like this could be a more frustrating process. But if you're like me and you like doing your nails and you like to like pamper yourself, or just to treat yourself, or to sit down for like 30 minutes out of your day and do your nails, then you might really like this. Like, this was really fun for me. They have lasted me, just know that they're and when they are starting to like lift or anything, like, it's really easy just to apply another coat of gel polish on top and it's like renewed. So yeah, I really recommend this to everybody. Anybody who wants to save money on their nails. But yeah, I'm sorry that I'm not really explaining much. I tried to like record this process the best way I could because I knew I wasn't going to be able to explain it, just because like it's a little bit complicated. I guess you kind of have to like learn as you go, but yeah, you just kind of like smooth it in there, and you want to make sure there's no bubbles or anything, just because once you put it in your nail, if you have any bubbles, that's just gonna, honestly, it's gonna affect the shape, and you don't want any air bubbles in your nail. It's just a no-no. I mean, who wants that? I recorded my first hand. I know that I didn't show that in this video, but I did record my first hand, and it was a hassle, like recording, honestly, and like doing it at the same time. And as you can tell, I was still having trouble recording this process, but like it took me about 20 minutes just to do my whole first hand, like plus recording. Just imagine if I wasn't recording this video. It's super easy and super quick, super self-explanatory. You don't even need an e-file. But yeah, as I tried to show you guys here, I'm just filling in the dual form with the PolyGel, making sure that it's like smooth inside of there, and then I'm placing it onto my nail. I place it kind of like not too close to my cuticle, because when you put it down, you kind of want to push it back into your cuticle, if that makes any sense. I'm trying to explain this like because I know that some of these angles and like way that I'm showing it is not very clear, but you know, I tried my best to show you guys. This is my first time ever attempting, like I said, so. And as you can see right here, I am using some cuticle clippers or cuticle nippers. I'm using those to cut the excess nail off, or like whatever edges that I know I'm gonna get rid of when I file after this whole process. I'm just trying to like perfect my shape as I go, just a little bit. I don't want to, you know, do each nail as I go, but okay, so I'm on my last nail right now, and you guys don't even ask me how I measured the right amount of like polygel to use, just like a little bead size for each color. I was just honestly hoping and praying that it would make all of my nails, like that this mixture would hold up for all of my nails and that I didn't have to make a separate batch, because as an artist, that's our worst nightmare. Painting, you want to make sure that you mix all of the color that you need before you know, move on, because if you don't have enough, you got to make it again and then it's not going to match. So yeah, I'm really happy that I used all of the polygel, or that all of the polygel was used. I didn't waste any and I didn't need any more, so that was really good. Okay, so for the last nail, I am picking up a little bit more polygel, and that's the last of it. Like, as you can see, I used literally all of the polygel, but I'd say I still have enough for like 50 more sets. I don't know. For my thumb, it was the hardest for me to do. I'm not sure if it'll be for you, because my thumb nail is just very flat compared to the rest of my nails. They're all very curved, and like I have a C-curve type of nail. But my thumb, for some reason, is just flat, and it was taking me forever to get this to stay on my nail. So what I did to kind of combat that is I went on the underside of my nail and I put the polygel in there, and I kind of like smoothed it out so that it was seamless underneath too. And then I took my light and I cured it. But after I cured all of my nails, I'm now filing, and this is the most tedious part, I feel like, or like the part that's gonna be the most fun, because the first half is kind of frustrating if you're new to it, but then this part, filing your nails, I feel like should be kind of a luxury, or not a luxury, but like it's kind of like pampering yourself. If you ever just sit there and file your nails into the shape that you like, this part is going to be the fun part for you. But if you made it to this part of the video, then comment down below, how much is it to get a full set of nails where you live? Like in your city, in your local area where your nail salon is, like your nail techs. Not like the freelance nail techs, you know, the ones that are like on Instagram and the super good ones, because I know they charge like up there, or some of them don't charge that much. But I'm so curious to know, like, DIY polygel nails is a go for me. It's a must now because look, I like having my nails like polished and clean, looking like I've been to the salon. But let's just figure out, all right, how much this whole thing would cost really quick. This LED lamp plus the kit plus like a nail file from Sally's, and you can do this by yourself at home. You can get these nails at home for less than $30. Literally, if you go into the salon and show them my nails and ask them to do this, they will probably charge you They'll probably charge you at least $45 minimum just to get a set of gel nails. Is gonna go for like $45, okay? Because it's not $35. Some places they charge acrylics for like $35, you know, it's not that much. But no, the polygel or like any gel nails is a little bit extra, so maybe like $45. But then if you want them the length that I got, or if you want them any longer than mine, then they're gonna charge you an extra $15, because you know that's just extra product that they're using on you. And then you're gonna end up spending like over $55 at the end of the day on a set of nails that you probably are not even that happy with, because they're not done exactly like to the T, like the way that you pictured, or you know, whatever. That's always the thing that happens to me. I'm always never like 100% happy with my nails. I don't know if that's everybody, but that's me. So this kit and the UV light all cost under $30. You could do this by yourself at home for $30, and again and again and again for free, because it's already at your house, and you can just spend 25 minutes out of your day just doing your nails, and it's just like a downtime. Like, it's really chill. To just have it at your house already and be able to do it for free is just a yes for me. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then comment down below if you guys want to try this out, because once I saw these videos, like, I was definitely like, yeah, I'm trying this out for sure. So let me know if you're gonna try this out, and yeah, you should definitely subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.